Mountaintop Industries was established in 1995, based on a product line of custom-fit adjustable tonneau cover and aluminium bed liners for pickups. Since then, Mountaintop Industries have continually expanded and are today developing a range of different innovative products for pickups demanded by the market. Mountaintop Industries supply major car importers all over Europe and are ISO TS 16949 and ISO 14001 certified OE supplier. Many products are developed together with the vehicle manufacturers. Quality assurance and lean manufacturing is an integrated part of the development and production process. Before a new pickup model is launched in the market, Mountaintop products are designed to accommodate the pickup at launch. Production takes place in Denmark in modern facilities. The innovative MTI team prides itself on efficiency, quality and creativity. Our experience and expertise make our products attractive on all pickup designs. Only the highest proven quality of materials and techniques are used. Mountaintop Industries.